everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm here with a Bath & Body Works haul. Today is actually Candle Day, it's December 7th, but this isn't my Candle Day haul. These are purchases I made prior to Candle Day that I just haven't had a chance to haul yet. But if you want to check out my Candle Day purchases, I have that up as a separate video on my channel. So definitely check that out if you're interested in my Candle Day purchases. But these purchases are mainly from the Land of Sweets collection. I have the candles and the hand soaps. Land of Sweets was a collection that I was really excited about. I actually saw back in the summertime that they were potentially going to do this collection as a Christmas collection, and they were going to have city themed candles and some other candles in the collection. And I love anything city themed. I really liked the summer collection, the Destination Summer collection with the wraparound sticker packaging. I love those for decorating. So when I learned that there's potentially going to be like a winter version of the Destination candles, I was very excited. So with Land of Sweets, I did purchase them before Candle Day because I just didn't want to risk them being sold out by Candle Day. Now they were available in the store today. There wasn't a ton of these candles, but I could have waited till Candle Day. But I feel like with collections or candles that you really want, sometimes you might not want to risk waiting, just depending how popular they are. But I was able to get these. They were on sale for it was like a buy two, get two free 3-week sale, and I also had a 20% off coupon. So the candles came out to $9.80 a piece, which is just slightly more than the $9.50 Candle Day price, the pre-coupon price at least. So I was happy at least to get these on some sort of a sale. So with the candles, there's 7 in total in the collection. There's 3 that are city themed candles, and there's 4 that are non-city themed, more like Christmassy sort of candles. So I'll start with the city ones, since those were the ones that really excited me about this collection. So the first city candle is London. This is Tea and Biscuits. And this has notes of iced lemon, sugar crystals, and buttery shortbread. And the description of it sounds lovely. It's not what the candle actually smells like. I get more of a sugared lemon from this, or like a candied lemon. To me, it really smells like a lemon Skittle, like the candy. But honestly, this collection I did just get for the packaging. Most candles that I do buy them to burn, but the Destination collection from summer, I did get those to decorate with, and these I also got to decorate with as well. So I actually ordered these online without smelling them. So I was just getting them for the packaging, which I think is super cute. So it has like landmarks from the city. It has these really cute like metallic stickers. I just think it's super, super cute. That's what the London one looks like. I do like the scent of this, even though it doesn't smell like the notes. I do like the scent of this. This is one of the candles I did pick up at Candle Day, so I could have it to burn as well. But that is London Tea and Biscuits. The next candle of the Land of Sweets City candles is the Paris candle. And this one is the scent Cafe LA, and it's a coffee scented candle. It's like the Paris Cafe. I think it's the exact same as Paris Cafe. But this one has notes of rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, and vanilla creme. And super cute packaging again. And again, that's why I bought these. That's what the packaging looks like. The scent of this, I'm not the biggest fan of. I don't really like coffee scented candles. I like the smell of coffee and like coffee shops, but something about this is just very strong, and it's not a candle I burn. Even with having the lid on, I can still smell it. It's just not something I really like. But again, I did get it for the packaging and to decorate with. So that is the Paris candle. And the third of the city candles is the New York Cherry Cheesecake. So it has like pink wax. And this one has notes of creamy vanilla, juicy red cherries, and graham cracker crust. And again, I don't get a bakery note. I don't get a crust note with this. I do get like the cherry, like a cherry vanilla type of scent. It is a nice scent. I just don't really prefer cherry scented candles. They always sort of remind me of like cough medicine, so I never really purchased them. But again, I did get this for the packaging, which is super cute. It's not a bad candle by any means. It's just not something that I would normally purchase, but again, the packaging. So those were the 3 city candles, and then there's 4 non-city candles. So for the non-city candles, this one is Santa's Workshop. This is sugared Snickerdoodle, and I love the touch of these, that they have these scalloped lids. They kind of look like icing. Super cute touch. But this is sugared Snickerdoodle. It has notes of warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. To be honest, this isn't my favorite scent. It's not bad, it just doesn't really impress me. I know they have this one out in the fall time too, but it's never one that I was super interested in. But it doesn't smell bad, it's just sort of like okay. But again, I love the little houses for the sticker decoration, super cute. So to get this one to sort of decorate with. So that's Santa's Workshop Sugared Snickerdoodle. Then there's the Elf Village Crushed Candy Cane. And this one has notes of crunchy peppermint, white sugar crystals, and frosted mint leaf. And I think last year was the first year that Bath & Body Works had crushed candy cane, and I really like pepperminty scents. Twisted peppermint is one of my favorites. And this is a different take on like peppermint scent. It is a little more sweet. It's more like an actual candy cane versus like a straight up peppermint scent. So I do really like this scent. This is another one that I picked up during Candle Day to burn, but I also wanted one to decorate with. So this one's sort of like an elf scene. There's a Christmas tree, there's Santa's sleigh, a little reindeer, there's like a little house with a little elf. To be honest, the packaging of this one isn't my favorite. I really prefer the city scenes or the little houses, but I did want to get the whole collection, so got this one. But I do like the scent of this. The next one is the Ski Lodge. This is hot cocoa and cream. I think of the like city Land of Sweets candles, this one is my favorite. I love the little ski lift. I love that touch of it. And just the little houses again are super cute. But this one is in the scent Hot Cocoa and Cream. So this has notes of decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. And I think this one smells really nice. I don't normally go for the chocolatey scents, but this one is really nice. And I think it was a really good pairing to do to the ski lodge with hot cocoa and cream, because I imagine you're in a ski lodge, you're trying to warm up, you're super cold from being outside and skiing, and you probably are like wanting to drink like a mug of hot chocolate. So I love like the imagery with this one. I think it was super good like decision to pair the scent with this packaging. So really like this one. And then finally, there's the actual Land of Sweets candle, and this is in the scent Blueberry Sugar. So Blueberry Sugar has notes of sweet blueberries, brown sugar, and graham cracker crust. Again, I don't get any bakery with this. I feel all the ones that were supposed to have bakery are lacking that component. And this again just smells like a candy sort of berry scent. It kind of reminds me of like a berry Skittle, so kind of like the London one was like a lemon Skittle. But again, I did get this for the super cute like packaging. This one's very whimsical with the little like candy themed houses. And I love this little like gumball machine, super cute. So that's the Land of Sweets Blueberry Sugar Candle. So those are all the candles from Land of Sweets. Again, I did get these to decorate with. I just really, really like the packaging of them. I also got the hand soaps. So for the hand soaps I purchased, it was on Thanksgiving. I was making an order to buy my mom some Christmas gifts. They had the buy 3 get 3 free deal. And for a limited amount of time on Thanksgiving Day, the hand soaps were on sale for $3 each, so I did get the 5 hand soaps in the Land of Sweets collection. And with the hand soaps, they did correspond with the candles. There's 5 hand soaps to 7 candles, so there's not a hand soap for every candle, but for most of them, there is a corresponding hand soap, which I really like. So the first of the hand soaps is the Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. And this hand soap corresponds with the Santa's Workshop. So you can see it has like that green, like same color, like sticker. So I currently have these in my little half bath and they're super cute. So I love to have like the hand soap by the sink and also decorate with the candles. So love these two together. But Cinnamon Caramel Swirl is notes of golden caramel, warm vanilla, and brown sugar. And it smells really, really good. I love the caramel scent of it. And even though the candles, I wasn't super impressed with all the scents, I think they did a really good job with the actual hand soap scents, which I'm actually happy about because I am going to use these versus just having them for decoration. So they're kind of useful and decorative at the same time. So I do like that they picked really good scents for the hand soap. So that's what Cinnamon Caramel Swirl looks like with this cute little house. The next hand soap is the Crushed Candy Cane. And of course, this goes with the Elf Village Crushed Candy Cane candle. These are the two that correspond the most that have the same scent. All the rest of them are not the same scent, but the packaging kind of corresponds with each other. And again, Crushed Candy Cane is crunchy peppermint, white sugar crystals, and frosted mint leaf. And I do really like twisted peppermint as a hand soap, so this is kind of similar to that. Just a little more sweet, so I do really like this one as well. That's what Crushed Candy Cane looks like. Perfect for like Christmas time with the red and the green. The next hand soap is the Mary Berry Kiss. Of course, this goes with the Land of Sweets Blueberry Sugar candle. I currently have these two together in my guest room bathroom, and they're just super cute. I love the blue color. It's just super pretty. This one is notes of winter berries, snowy vanilla, and crystallized ginger. And I love berry scents, so this one is really great as well. So you can see the little candy like house. There's like a hot chocolate or some sort of like drink, it looks like, but super cute. And then the next hand soap I have is the Merry Cookie. That's what Merry Cookie looks like. And this one corresponds with the Ski Lodge Hot Cocoa and Cream. So I guess you could have your hot chocolate with a little cookie. So I love these two together. And the notes of Merry Cookie are buttery shortbread, vanilla bourbon icing, and spun sugar. And this one's just really nice scent. And I think it's perfect for like Christmas time and like you're like baking cookies, and it's super festive. So do really like this hand soap. And then finally, there is the Lemon Buttercream hand soap. So all of the non-city candles had a corresponding hand soap, and then they also have one that corresponds with the London candle. So I was really happy that they had like a London themed hand soap, even though it doesn't have London in the name from the landmarks. It's definitely London, so those two go together. And this one has notes of sugared lemon, whipped vanilla, and graham cracker crumbles. And this one, unlike the candles that were all supposed to have bakery notes, this one actually has a bit of a bakery note with the lemon. It's actually really, really nice. I think this is my favorite of the hand soaps, and I love the packaging of it as well. So those are the hand soaps on my Land of Sweets purchases. I do have one additional thing to haul. It's not from the Land of Sweets, but it is a candle holder, so I thought I would include it in this video. This I actually got with the Thanksgiving Black Friday buy 3 get 3 free deal. So this is, I think it's the Rustic Village candle holder. It has these little houses with these little like trees on top. I think it's super cute. And I've actually burnt a candle in it, and it's cool because you can actually see the light from the candle from the little doors of the houses. So I think it's super cute, and I love the like the house motif of the Land of Sweeps candles. I think this kind of goes perfectly with that. So yeah, that's everything for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.